Good good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a review of the SMS phone leads, right? Home of the $10 instant funnel. Now, I haven't done a video on SMS phone leads in a couple years, and I realized that there have been a few changes to the system since then. Now, SMS phone leads is a great marketing tool that marketers can use to promote their primary business, right? And they can also use it as a separate business as well in order to earn instant commissions. Now, in order to earn these instant commissions, you have to have a Stripe account to get paid too, all right? Having said that, though, I'm in the back office, right? Standard back office, and the first thing you see when you log in is going to be this page, right? The page is going to have your SMS phone number here, right? You're going to have your current credit balance here. You'll see your cover page, your direct referral link page here, and you'll see the person you bought the system from here, okay? The quick start tab is going to give you a breakdown of how you need to get everything set up. So we'll click on that. I'm going to show you that really quick as well too. Now, I've had SMS phone leads, excuse me. I've had it for a few years, right? Had it since about 2019. I enjoyed it because at that time it was $37, right, to get started with the tool. And the tool is your own automated virtual assistant that pretty much does the selling and telling for you. Okay? It sends out text on your behalf when people, send a text to your phone number requesting information about your product or service. And at that time, I didn't really realize that it was a steal of a deal at that price, because when you have a phone number, there are a variety of ways that you can promote your phone number, right? You can promote it through word of mouth advertising, social media posts, offline marketing, email marketing. There are many different ways that you can promote your phone number. And what it does, again, is that when you call that phone number and listen to the message, you're pretty much showing your prospect that they can get the information that they need about your opportunity sent directly to their phones, or they can listen to a brief message and get the website information that way. So it pretty much eliminates kind of the questions aspect, okay? And that's something that a lot of marketers, want, because a lot of people are not comfortable, explaining their product or service right away. So they want to have a number that people can call or text to, and they can get the information that they need 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? Because not everybody's up. Not everybody is awake. Not everybody is online. Not everybody has the time to talk on a consistent basis. So with SMS phone leads, you get that tool that you need that does that explaining for you, pretty much on autopilot, okay? Getting back into the back office here, you see a couple different things here. It gives you a little tip. Well, and these are the primary steps basically that you need to complete. You need to connect your Stripe account, you need to add credits, and you need to set up your two-step funnel, right? Leads in its entirety, all right? And that's pretty much it for the quick tab. You also have a bonus video here, how to build 2 income streams from the same pool of leads. Okay, so you do get a couple bonuses as well when you join. Excuse me. So that's definitely an added plus as well, all right? You're going to have your mobile marketing. You're going to have You're able to buy mobile leads, and you're able to buy an entry to the traffic rotator as well. Now, with the mobile marketing, what's great about that, you're going to get access to, swipes, classified ads you can use, text messages you can use, and banners you can use as well, all right here on that. Now, I'm not going to click on that. I'll leave that for you to check out when you join, but you do get marketing material, right? You're going to go to this tab here is pretty much where you have to set up your Stripe account as well, right? You're going to go click on that tab, and it's going to show you how you can set up your Stripe account to start receiving those instant $10 payments, and the optional payments as well, should you choose to join the optional upgrades, which I'll show you in a little bit, right? Product access, you're going to be able to access your 2-step funnel, your SMS custom, your interactive, your blaster, your partnership secrets, and your ringless voicemail options here. These are your extras here. You're able to buy the credits here, able to buy an SMS number here, an SMS vault. An SMS vault is pretty much training videos that go in depth on certain features and aspects and how to utilize everything. Okay, mind map, and you have your optional upgrades here. Click on that really quick. Your optional upgrades, again, they're not required. You don't have to purchase them, but some of them do help you get a better understanding of how to set up your funnel, like this one here, the done with you setup, right? $99 is optional. The Instagram DM funnel, optional, and the 20-minute speed coaching call is optional. So everything is already broken down here, explains what you can get access to as an option, and you're also able to buy everything now there, right? And the system messages are pretty much messages from your SMS, from your voice, and from your interactive phone funnel. Now, one last thing before I do wrap this up, guys, I want to click on the interactive. The custom is pretty much self-explanatory. You're able to go through that and set up your message as you see fit for the automated virtual assistant to say. You're pretty much going to type out your message and it goes through a series of steps that you have to follow. All right. But I want to go over the interactive portion really quick because I use this for the interactive funnel portion. The interactive funnel is another way that the system works on your behalf, because when you call the phone number and you listen to the message, right, the message that plays, the system is doing the explaining and telling for the opportunity for you, right? It's qualifying your prospects for you on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about that, okay? You call the phone number, listen to a brief message, like about almost a 3-minute message. It breaks down everything that you need to know. And it's pretty, what's what I'm looking for? It's pretty easy. Okay, it's pretty easy, very helpful. And if you're someone who needs a virtual assistant that wants that assistant to do the selling and telling for you, you cannot go wrong with SMS Phone Leads Virtual Assistant. Now, the interactive funnel here, the reason why this is important is because once you're done with the phone call from your prospects, the system does all the qualifying and everything like that. They're going to receive a text message, right, on their end, requesting, their email. Okay. Once the system gets that email, the email is going to be sent out to your prospects on your behalf, pretty much within maybe a minute or so. In that email, you're going to be able to do a couple things, and they're going to see a couple things. Excuse me. They're going to see this 3 primary opportunities that you promote. Okay, it could be any 3 that you choose. Preferably, you want to put SMS Phone Leads as one of them, and you can put 2 other programs. Put your name, email, and your number, and then here you're going to want to make sure you select SMS Phone Leads. Okay. Now this is a necessary and vital step in order for you to have the system working for you. So you have your SMS Phone Leads, big ticket, and your other engineering. So just put SMS Phone Leads because you're going to be promoting that as well. If you're using this opportunity just to earn $10 commissions, you're going to want to do this. All right. All right. 1 program, like I said, SMS Phone Leads. 2 other programs, anything you want to promote. And this is what's going to show up in the email. It's going to be sent on your behalf from the system. Okay. So essentially the system is going to be collecting the leads information, their name, their cell phone number, and their email address. Okay. All that stuff is going to be captured by the system automatically. And it does the follow-up in that regard. It sends out that email right away. All right. Now, as in terms of promoting your primary business, it pretty much functions the same way. All that information will be under here, under the SMS option, voice option, or the interactive phone funnel option. All the options, once that information is captured from the prospect, will appear in one of these tabs. Okay. With the interactive phone funnel, again, it's the system that's doing the selling and telling for you, and that information will be kept there. SMS, same thing, text message marketing. It captures all that information, and it's going to be there. So the bottom line is this, and I'm going to wrap this video up because I don't want to hold you guys up much longer. For $10, right, $10, you're going to have your own virtual automated assistant doing the selling and telling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And all you have to do is set it up in a way so that your virtual assistant is telling your prospects what you want it to say. Okay, whatever you want it to say, whether you want to use it to promote your primary business, which in most cases, that's what a lot of people are going to be using it for. You can set it up in a way where your virtual assistant is going to tell them the message that you want them to hear, right? And if they request information via text message, you're able to type out the information that you want sent out to your prospects when they request that information. Okay, it's a no-brainer. It's pretty much a two-in-one virtual automated assistant. And at $10, you can't go wrong with it. Plus, there's no monthly fees. All right, so let me just go back to the main screen really quick. So the bottom line is this: as a marketer, it's imperative to have tools in your business that help you succeed, that help you automate your business. This is one of those tools. This is definitely one of those for all marketers, no matter what level you're at. Okay, so having said that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up by saying this. Invest into SMS phone leads. It's $10 one time. You don't have to buy the optional upgrades, but I feel that the main focus for this is going to be the $10 funnel, the $10 automated virtual assistant that you'll have access to. All right. Have a great day, guys. If you have any questions about the opportunity, about the virtual assistant, reach out to me and we'll talk more in depth about it. Okay. But for now, have a great day. I will see you on the next video. And until then, just keep this in mind. You have to invest into your business. Plain and simple. If you're not willing to invest into your business, then there's really no point of you having a business, right? This is $10 one time, no monthly fees, for a great tool that pretty much works for you on autopilot, does the selling for you on autopilot, and generates information for you, generates leads and potential sales for you on autopilot. It's a no-brainer. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.